Alright guys, let's make a quick check if everything is right with this. So we want to go to post right now. Let's write posted item. I'm gonna send a posted item. Cool. Let's go to see here, posted item. I can see it, right? I'm gonna make a get. I'm taking all the items right now and the posted. Let's take the specific ID of posted. We got it, right? Another things. Let's make an update right now of posted. Okay. Posted. Yeah. Let's see here. Get. Let's get it. Posted here. Also we can see it from here. Posted here, right? Let's make a delete. We want to delete the posted that we created. Let's delete it. Item deleted. If I reload, it has been deleted. Okay, everything is okay. Let's now work and create here inside the root. I'm gonna create, push it here, an education root. Let's write educ root, which is education root.js, right? And now we are going to follow exactly the same process, guys, right? So we go to about root. We are gonna take everything, control copy, go to educ root. We don't want to spend time. The process is exactly the same, right? Now here, of course, we don't have it yet, so let's comment it. This, I don't want this because I'm gonna use the same way. Here is gonna be the education, get education. Let's copy all the comments, add education, civic education, update specific education, right? Also, let's make here get education, add education, right? Get education ID, update education, delete education, right? Here we need to put, of course, education, right? Copy this. We are gonna put here education, right? Let's go to server, and we need copy this, guys. We need here to put a educ root. Look, the root that we created right now. Okay, we see mistakes here. It's obvious. We are gonna fix it. Right. Let's go. Education root. We have to create the education controller. So controllers, go to controllers, create educ ctrl.js, or just write education ctrl.js, right? And right now also let's go server education. Let's go and deal with the education, but before going and dealing with education, let's also create a model on the right. Education model.js, right? We need right now, where is the about model? Copy the about model, control copy, close the about model, go to education model, paste it, just right here, education schema, education, let's write here, education schema. Let's write here education. We need here to put education, right? After this, we are okay with education model. Let's go to education ctrl. Let's write const education schema equal is exactly the same process, guys, as we did with about. We need the models and of course the education model, right? And after this, education ctrl, about ctrl, we need to put, just copy all this. Where is education ctrl? Right. We need to put here, we don't need get about exports. educ root, we need the get education, control copy, put it here, right? Go to educ root, add, control copy, paste, right? We need to also copy, get education by ID, yes, and of course we need update education, delete education, okay. Now we need to put here, look, copy this, put this, right? In every arc we can see schema, not about, we need education schema. Also here we need the education schema. Also here the same. Also here the same. Let's work const education. You know, I'm gonna change it later. Let's go right now about, no, educ root. I'm gonna just enable this, just right here, all the get education, right? We need the add education from education ctrl, okay. We need the get education ID, right? We need the update education, right? And delete education. And here, sorry guys, and here we are, everything is okay here, alright? Let me see right now, go to about to education ctrl, let's change here, let's put education, okay. You can leave it as about, but it's correct, variable is, but it's correct using the same word, right? Let me see. Okay, here we have to put absolutely the education, guys. Also here education, because we refer to education right now. Follow what I'm doing. New education. Here we need the education, of course. Yes. Let's be careful. new education, new education, yes, and here we need new education, correct. Education, also education, yes, here we need the education, education, yes, of course here we need the education, new education, right? Let's leave the result. Education, of course education here, right. Let's see right now if it works. We are here, we got already the educ root, okay, education root, get education, add education, yes, ctr get education, education, okay, let's see. We want right now here we got the get. Now we don't have the, we don't want to deal with about is correct, we want the education, right. Now we have to take an empty array. If I press, and here we are, we have an empty array because we don't have anything yet on education. About, where is, we are okay with about, we finish, we are not going to deal right now with about, okay, we want to deal with education right now. Okay, let's search about education. What I'm doing, education, and it's empty. Let's try to add something. About, we don't need about right now, we don't need about, bye bye, only the education. Let's try to add something. Where is, here, right? Post. We don't need about, we need to deal with education, right? Let's try, also we have to put here education, guys, because we don't have in this is a post schema that we want to post. We have to put the same word. Look, where is the education model? Look, we got education here. We have to put this word, education. So after creating the post, we are going to see education. I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. So let's go here. Education right now. Okay, let's post this. And here we are, posted item. If I go here right now, I'm gonna get, look, we got posted item, education. Let's go to MongoDB and see what happened. Come on. Okay, look, we see the education. Let's see the education. Okay, we see the education. We have items here. Here is the about. We don't want to deal with about right now. It's okay. Now we are dealing with the education. Right. Let's see now if education. Okay, we post it. Let's post another item. Post it new item. Or you know guys, let's say education electrician. Right? I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna write designer. Right? I'm gonna post it. Let's write plumber. Okay? And let's see the get requests right now. Right, I'm getting all this. Let's try and delete or update the plumber. I'm gonna update the plumber. Okay? I'm gonna take the ID, a specific ID. I'm going to put, when we want to update, we have to use the put. Okay. We don't have the about, we want the education. We are dealing with education right now. We need the update, right? And then the ID. Cool. Go to post, take the education here, go to put, we need this, plumber. Yes, I am plumber. Okay, let's update it. Item updated. Let's see. I'm gonna reload. Yes, I am plumber. It has been updated, guys. Right. The same thing comes from database, so there's no need watching the Mongo because it comes directly from Mongo, all this data. So let's go now and delete the plumber. Yes, I am plumber. I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna copy the same ID, right? Let's go to deal. Here we want, of course, the education direction. I'm gonna put this ID, the new, and I'm gonna try to delete the specific ID. Item deleted, right? Let's see. I'm not gonna able to see this right now. Look, I can see right now. It has been deleted. Also deleted from MongoDB. Okay, we see only these things here. Right, guys? So we finished with our education. We are going to move and work with the experience.